Hello A plus traders, welcome again to our channel A plus Trading Hub. Subscribe to this channel and also click on the notification bell. On this video I want to show you how you can find your indicators on the mobile MetaTrader 4. So this video is basically for those using mobile phones to trade. So if you are looking for indicators on your mobile phone, on your mobile MT4, go to the chart. You go to the chart and here is the chart. Just tap on your chart like this. Just tap on the screen of your chart, then this will come out. When this comes out, you click on this F button here where we have the F button. Click on it and all your indicators is going to come up. So you can see we have the average directional movement and index, Bollinger Bands, parabolic SAR, moving average. These are all the indicators you have on your screen on your MetaTrader 4. So let's say for example I want to pull up my moving average. I just click on my moving average, put in my input to my settings, then click on done above there. So you can see the moving average is now showing on my chart, and you can still change the color of the moving average if it's not clear. Where you have this style, click on the red, then I can change it to, let's say, the green color there, and click on done, and you can see the moving average have changed. So that is how you find indicators on your chart. Also, for let's say you need some trading tools like the Fibonacci and the rest of them, just tap on the screen, then click on this place here where you have the shapes, plenty shapes. Click on it and this will come out. Then when this is up, you click on the plus sign above here, click on the plus sign above here, and here we have all your trading tools like the horizontal line, the trend line, the vertical line, and let's say this is the Fibonacci retracement tool, the Elliott motive wave, the triangle and eclipse, the rest of them. So let's just take example. I want to plot the Fibonacci on my MT4. I'll click on Fibonacci, and when you click on Fibonacci, you will see this small logo here. This shows that you have picked the Fibonacci tool. Then I will draw. This is an emerging trend, so I'll plot my Fibonacci like from here to up here. So you can see the Fibonacci is showing on my charts. So that is basically how you find your indicators on the mobile MetaTrader 4, and that is how you use them on the mobile MetaTrader 4. So if this video was helpful for you, you learned a thing or two, like the video. If you still have questions, you are confused on what to do, comment on this video. I'll still come and explain more for you. I'm always glad to help you out because I want you to succeed in your trading career. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, A Plus Trading Hub, and click on the notification icon so you won't miss my next video. Thank you. Bye.